Visual Studio Code and click on the first option that comes up and click on Download for Windows. Once that page pops up, it will also be downloading the executable. Once that's finished, click on that and that will open up the executable. Click on Run. Accept the license agreement. Then select the path. Then just give it a name. Then these are some of the options. You don't really need to click on any of these. Maybe the one that would be useful is Open with Code, which just gives you an option. And then we just click on Install. Wait for the files to be extracted. Should take less than a minute to do in total. So if it's taken longer than that, you might need another program installed. Okay, that's finished now, so let's go ahead and launch Visual Studio Code. Then after a few seconds, you should see Visual Studio Code popping up, and there it is. Okay, and that's a quick demo on how you install Visual Studio Code.